Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Glenvar Heights local and long distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we have expert movers that create a custom moving plan for you. We consider your budget, time frame, and schedule when drawing this plan. Our movers are careful when sorting and packing your belongings. Our trucks are perfect for securing and moving your items over long distances. Your belongings fit in the different compartments. Our drivers are professionals. They know all the major and fastest routes. Our drivers follow every highway rule and regulation to get to the destination promptly. There is also a long list of tasks to complete when planning a local move. Although local moves are less complex, professional help is also necessary. 3 Movers provides the best local moving service in Glenvar Heights. We have a fast response system and respond to local calls promptly. With us handling your move, your belongings get to your new location with ease. Our local distance services are also very cheap. We charge about $30 to $40 per hour. Our affordable and excellent service is one of the reasons why we are the top choice of the locals. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Glenvar Heights moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.